don't complain. Things nice, cause I just got paid. So in trouble on the road now.
Welcome to New York and welcome to Bermuda. We are here today with a fully immersive experience in the center of the universe, which is New York City. And we are bringing Bermuda to New York with our new marketing campaign called Lost Yet Found. And we're going to give that Bermuda experience to everyone in New York today. And we are giving people a chance to win a trip to Bermuda.
The beauty, the colors, the people, the food, the beach is amazing.
It's beautiful. It feels amazing. This is the first time I've done an activation outside of Bermuda on this scale, and to actually work in the city doing what I love is incredible.
There was such a seamless flow where my spray paint flowed seamlessly into her acrylic brush paint and vice versa. So we're looking to recreate that magic today.
What we want to do is make sure that everyone knows about Bermuda, knows how easy it is to get to, and make sure that people on the East Coast, particularly in New York City, come to Bermuda.